Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 21, and today's topic is plurals. So let's start. Here in this page it's written one box after the two boxes. Just below of it it's written we add yes to box to show more than one. Yes, we have done it here. It was one box. After that, when we have told two, then we have added yes with that box. It means we have made its plural form, means singular to plural. Again in this place on the right side, see one bus, three buses. Here we add es to bus to show more than one. Same thing we have done here. So we will follow this thing, means when we will make plural form from singular, means when we will make one to more than one, we will add es. So let's start here. First exercise, here it is written write the missing words, each ends with es. So let's start. One number, one bush, four bushes. Just add after bush es. One watch, six watches. One coach, two coaches. One brush, five brushes. One box, nine. What will be? Nine boxes. We will just add yes. One peach, it will be a dish of peaches. One dish, a set of dishes. A set of dishes. Then a church, it will be a few churches. 9 number, a torch, it will be many torches. A match, a box of matches. So easy, I think you have understood. Now next one, B number exercise. Here it is written use the words you have made to fill these gaps. What will be here? See, the jeweler sold many different clocks and what? Different clocks, and we can write watches, because watches is similar to clocks. Next one, 2 number, there were lots of gooseberries on the where? On the, we can write bushes. Next one, many dash have a tall tower. What can we write? Many churches we can write here. Many churches have a tall tower. 4 number, Ling dropped the dash on the floor. What can we write? Ling dropped the dishes we can write. Dishes on the floor. The man used 4 dash to light the fire. Here we need match to light the fire. So here it is written 4. That's why we have to write 4 matches. Next one, 6 number, 2 dash took the party to town. What we will write in this blank? 2 coaches. Coaches took the party to town. 7 number, Joseph got the dash to clean his shoes. Joseph got the what? We need to clean the shoes. We need to clean the shoes. What? We need brush. So here we have to write Joseph got the brushes to clean his shoes. 8 number, Rania was given to dash of the chocolates. We have to write Rania was given to what? Boxes of chocolates. 9 number, Adrian bought a tin of dash and a pot of cream. So what can we write here? Adrian brought a tin of peaches and a pot of cream. Some dash through their light a long way. Some torches through their light a long way. So I have done it by myself. You can take help from this place, what we have done before. So I have understood of reading this place. If you don't understand, so please take help from this place. So today up to this, today we have done page number 21 from Junior English Book 1. Next day we will do page number 22. There we will find the topic that is capital letters. Bye for today.